guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been requested to film how I curl my hair and how you can curl your own hair. So let's get to it. So first thing first, you're gonna need a few jaw clips and of course curling iron, and I'm using Bombay Hair in 25 millimeters. That's a little smaller than an inch. So we're gonna section out the hair into 1 inch. I always take 1 inch and clip the rest away and use your jaw clips. If you have long hair, you can always use 2, which is my case. So take this into 2. Hold your curling iron facing down and wrap your hair around it, just like that. And hold it a few seconds. Hold it a few seconds and let go. And you do the same thing to this side. Section and work your way up, and I'll show you how I curl the ones from the side. I need a trim, guys. Okay, so the ones from the side, I always have my curling irons facing down. That way you get a nice spiral curl rather than a chunky bouncy curl. But it is a personal preference. So hold it down and wrap the hair around it, but facing away from the face. Tap, tap, tap on the hair to see. And if you feel the heat, that means it's ready to let down. See? Repeat the same thing on this side. Hold your curling iron facing down and curl away from the face. Decide if you're gonna part it in the center or the side, either side. I usually go this way, so I'm gonna part it from here all the way to the back and pin away this side. I always start curling from the back to the front when I come to the top. That way it's less messy for me. we're gonna again curl it away from the face. Hold. Let it down. So what I do is turn my head up, so head down, right, straight. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please subscribe and like and share and give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see next. Thank you.